I feel a lot sluggish today. So today's session is entrusted to my friend.
Okay, I handle it.
Handle, such a spiritless word. You be at rest, I'll be at the hem. So for today's session, we have alternatives, especially idiomatic expressions for the word handle or manage. So next time you want to say, I'll handle it, better say, I'll be in charge of it, I'll head it, I'll be at the hem of it, I will head up. Head up also means to manage. I'll take the steering. I'll steer towards the wind. Let's keep moving. I'll deal with it. I'll cope with it. I'll fend for you. I will scrape by. Scrape by means I'll manage. I'll muddle through means I'll find a solution. Let's make headway. I'll weather it. It means I'll weather the storm. I will brave it. Next is I will hack it. I'll be successful in accomplishing it. I'll manage it. Okay, hack it means you'll be successful in dealing with it. Next is I'll paddle the canoe. Canoe is a type of boat, which means you'll take the steering. Next is don't worry, I'll be in the driving seat. Next is I'll shift for you. Let's keep progressing. I'll be at the wheel. I'll run the show. Next is I'll call the shots. I'll pilot it. I will rule the roost. It means everything is under my authority and I'll manage it. I'll rule the roost. Next is I'll take the strings. I will take the chair. You don't worry, I'll take the chair. Next is I'll be in the saddle. Let's continue ahead. I'll keep the body and soul together. It means you'll manage. Next is I'll clear the decks. Don't worry. Don't take tension. I'll clear the decks. Next, I'll suss it out. Amazing, right? Suss it out means I'll think hard and I'll do it. I'll manage it by myself. Next is I'll concern it by myself. I'll concern myself with it. I'll appertain to it. Appertain means deal or manage. I'll attend to it. Coming to the climax, we have few non-idiomatic expressions in place of handle, deal or manage. I'll maneuver it. I'll supervise it. I'll oversee it. I'll superintend it. I hope you're enjoying. Stay tuned. Have a great day.